Let me show you how to build Spa Francorchamps in Belgium with Carrera Racetrack. Hello everybody, my name is Trevor Selescu and I'm the owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. Well, tonight we got another treat for you with our track building, and we're going to be working on Spa Francorchamps in Belgium. A very historic racetrack and a very wonderful thing to build. So let's go down and check out how I built this amazing track. But first, the time lapse. And here we are now down at the track, and let's see how I built Spa Francorchamps. But first, here's an upward aerial view. I'll just stand back here. So, like the previous track we raced, which was the Bahamas, we have that same table arrangement with the L shape, except this time it's been moved over 2 feet from the back tables there. And then here we have our 2x4 table. I moved the little desk here just to support that, and I put the other 2x4 table there to support that curve. Now this track is at a bit of a funny diamond shape angle, like it's not flat this way, it's just tilted a little. So it's kind of one of the tracks that you got to put together and then rotate a bit until it starts fitting on the table, usually when you're on that very long back stretch there. So without further ado, let us check this out. Very cool track. Here we are at the start-finish gate, and that is the extension piece for the start-finish gate. And you will need, because this, if you're building this exactly how I have it, you need 6 controllers. Now when you buy one of these controllers, it comes with this power track, which has a bunch of ports in the back for you to plug in these sort of accessories and whatnot. So one of these will come in your starter set with this, and you buy 2 more, 1, 2, and you buy that tower over there, and you put your track together like this. So you got your start finish gate and your extension, then you've got a straight power track, 1-60, 2 2-30s, 1 2. Okay, so these go into the table, and then 1 2 coming out of the table, 1-60s, and 1 2 3 4 2-30s. And here I've used the crosses, which you get in extension set number 3, and that's going into this of the tables. Then we have a 1-60 coming off the table, and 2 2-30s, and then here got this huge circle that comes back, and it has 1 2 3 4 1-60s, which would make 8 2-30s going around here. And then you're curving it and you're pointing it into the table. And then you come out of the table this way, or off the table, with a 1-60 and 2 2-30s. And then you kick back into the table with a 1-60 and 2 2-30s. And then we go 1 2 3 straights right there, And here I've used this switch, which will be in the description below. And I've used this curve switch, which will also be in the description below, because I forget if this is, they call them right, inner, left, into, out, right hand turn, this kind of thing, so I have to look up what they are. And anyway, there are your 2-30s there. And then here we have a single straight across, which will come in your extension set number 3, and another single straight, so you have to buy 2 of those. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 straights, 5, 6 straights, 6 straights, 7 straights here. Then I've got another one of these curves right here. Look in the description below. So for this strip here, technically you need, I'm just going to count this as a straight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straights for 10 going down there. Okay, getting back to the schedule. And then we have a 180-degree curve right here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2-30s. And because we got the curve switch, we only need 2 1-60s. And then you got 2 straights. And then you're coming off the table, going that way, with a 1-60 and 2 2-30s. And then here we're doing a curve radius switch going back into the table. These are 2-30s, 1, 2, 3, 4, and surrounding them are 3-30s, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're coming over here. Now I got another one of these switches. This one should really be this way, but I'm gonna use the one that goes this way instead of this one that you see. I'll give you the part number in the description below. And that's so that your cars can come back in as they're going around the circle. And anyway, so we have one of those switches, look in the description below, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 2-30s, and a 1-60. So here's a 120-degree curve. And then we come back out this way with a 1-60 and 2 2-30s. This is going back into the table. And then going out of the table is a 1-60 and 2 2-30s. Then I put the chicanes here, and these are also in your extension set 3. So we need 1, 2 chicanes. And then here we have our hairpin curve, which is actually in Belgium at Spa. And remember, the hairpin has this extended out because that's how they had to get it in there. So you need a 1/4 piece here, and then that's hairpin set. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2-30s, and one more 1/4 piece, and then a single straight and another one of the power tracks. And that, my friends, is how you build Spa Francorchamps. Well, we hope you enjoyed that track build, and I'd like to see your pictures of how you build Spa Francorchamps, and you can post them out on my Facebook page at Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. And don't forget to check out our Carrera stuff at www.monster-hobbies.ca. Now, if you'd like to see us race in Belgium, click up here. If you'd like to see me build a couple of other tracks, click here and there. And if you'd like to subscribe to us, please click right there. And we look forward to seeing you, because next week we're going to be doing the Scandinavian Grand Prix. So we'll talk to you soon. Have a good one.